The red pandas. These have to be one of the cutest creatures in the world. But with less than 10,000 left in the wild, they may not be around long enough for any of us to save up and give them a hug. Almost 50% of the red panda's habitat is in the eastern Himalayas. The reduction of nesting trees and bamboo is causing a decline in the population of the little furballs as their forest home is being cleared. You can adopt a red panda, helping towards its existence. The Goody Tarantula. The Goody Tarantula is an old world species of tarantula. Living in Southeast India and Sri Lanka, this electric blue beast is said to be endangered due to causing civil unrest and being caught up in firewood collection. This species was rediscovered after 102 years in 2001. They have been named as critically endangered and face an extremely high risk of extinction. The last spotting of a wild goody was in 2013, however, there are few in captivity and are sold as pets for around $1,000. This rise in demand for them though has caused interbreeding, causing the life expectancy to decrease dramatically. The Durrells Fonzira. This meerkat lookalike is only found near Lake Alautra in Madagascar. Due to its similarities with the brown-tailed mongoose, the animal wasn't established as its own form of species till 2010. How many are in the wild is still unknown due to the species only recently being found. However, the area that they are located in is Lake Alautra, an area that is a threatened ecosystem. Therefore, also threatening the livelihood of the Vonstria. The giant squid. An average giant squid is around 33 feet long and weighs 440 pounds. That's the same length as a school bus. The giant squid remains largely a mystery to scientists despite being the biggest invertebrate on Earth. The largest giant squid ever found measured 59 feet in length and weighed nearly a ton. How many left in the wild is a mystery. However, giant squid carcasses have been found in all of the world's oceans, but only one live squid has ever been caught by Japanese scientists. The Florida panther. The Florida panther is an endangered population of cougar and lives in the forests and swamps of southern Florida in the United States. In the 1970s there was only 20 left. Due to conservation and heavy safeguarding, their numbers have increased in 2017 to 230. Besides predation from humans and alligators, the biggest threat to their survival is human encroachment. Historical persecution reduced this wide-ranging, large carnivore to a very small area of South Florida. This created a tiny isolated population that became inbred, causing problems such as kinked tails and heart problems. The Vaquita. The Vaquita is the world's smallest dolphin and is from the northern Gulf of California and Mexico. In 2014 there were 100 Vaquita dolphins left in the wild. Today there are only 30. It is thought that within the year they will be extinct unless drastic action is taken place. The immediate threat to the dolphins is the use of gill nets used by the fishermen. Help save the Vaquita. The Rollaway Monkey. The Rollaway monkey has to be one of the cutest monkeys out there and used to live in the forests of Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire, but it has sadly become extinct in Ghana and how many exist in the wild is unknown. They are basically hunted for bush meat and coupled with their forest homes being destroyed has further assisted with their decline. The Plowshare Tortoise. This is the most endangered tortoise in the world. The population is estimated to be between 440 to 770, and they found in the Bali Bay region in Madagascar. The Plowshare tortoise is so beautiful, it's a curse as they are poached for the illegal international pet trade and also for its shell as it's believed to have health benefits. Javon Rhino. Although all rhinos are having a bad time, this breed has had a particularly rubbish couple of years. The Javon rhinos are the most threatened of the 5 rhino species, with a count of between 58 to 68 individuals surviving in Ujung Kulon National Park in Java, Indonesia. These stunning animals have loose skin folds, giving their armored appearance. However, they aren't made of armor and are pouched for their 10-inch horns. Due to conservation, the last poaching of the Javon Rhino was in 2010, allowing the rhinos to have a chance in increasing their numbers and getting the species back on track. Northern hairy-nosed wombat. They are currently all located in Epping Forest National Park in Queensland, Australia. Compared to the 1,000s of miles they used to roam between New South Wales, Victoria and Queensland less than 100 years ago. A survey taken in 2003 stated that there were only about 115 northern hairy-nosed wombats left in the wild, and only 30 of those were breeding females. However, in 2015 a study showed that the population had slowly increased to 230 hairy-nosed wombats. Keep it up, wombats! If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to encourage us.